Went to see a horror flick, all alone at night. Just me and the ticket machine, what a spooky sight. Empty seats all around, one dude in the back. Thought I'd brave the scary film, my nerves about to crack. Creaky doors and whispered moan, the shadows on the wall. Ghostly figures float on the screen, hear the spirits call. Haunted house with secrets dark, chills run down my spine. Gripping armrests, holding breath, it plays tricks on my mind.
But then I saw a photo of a ghostly toe just on my right. I thought I'd scream, I thought I'd die. That foot gave me a bigger fright.
Turns out he switched seats, that weirdo from behind. Took off his flip-flops, got comfy, didn't seem to mind. Personal space invasion, toes up in the air. Horror on the screens, got nothing on this scare.
I changed my seat so fast, you bet finished the film afraid. The movie monster's not so bad compared to Footsie Lad.